Planet Earth is so beautiful. It has variety of seasons starting from winter. The temperature is too low, chill breezes all around, and the humidity is high. Whereas in spring, the temperature is comparatively higher and the humidity increases, which allows the human beings easier to sustain. Whereas the deadly summer, the temperature is too high and humidity is low. Human beings cannot sustain a certain limit of temperature and humidity. Not only atmosphere, even it depends on room temperature. So, we need to continuously monitor the environmental factors. Here we present Usually in weather stations, the climate report is measured and telecasted throughout the world. Temperature can be measured using thermometer. It consists of mercury, red spirit in a glass tube. Humidity can be measured by using hygrometer, but we can't carry these wherever we go. So here we introduce our multi-talented kit Nordic thingy. Download the Nordic Thingy app in your mobile. Connect the thingy to the Bluetooth of your device. So in the Nordic Thingy app, we can see many features such as environment, motion, configuration, UI, sound, IFTTT, etc. So in that, for humidity and temperature measurements, we go for environment. So under environment, there are 5 categories, namely temperature, pressure, humidity, air quality, light or color intensity. Once you click the particular icon to be measured, its live graph will be displayed. These graphs represent the current and historical temperature measurements and humidity measurements. The graphs automatically scroll to the latest value. The time interval for your live graphs can be varied under configurable settings. Till now, we saw the external necessities for measuring humidity and temperature. So now let us see how the internal things work. The system on chip integrates a lot of system components. It contains memory, power management, and a large range of peripherals such as SPI, UART, I2C, USB, SATA, etc. Among these, for humidity and temperature sensors, we require the peripheral I2C. The humidity and temperature sensor are on board and it has 0 to 100% relative humidity range, and the output is a 16-bit humidity and temperature data output. The circuit diagram is shown and each of the pin represents each function. Pin 1 VDD is a power supply. Pin 2 SCL or SPC, serial clock or serial port clock. Pin 3 DRDY, data ready output signal. Pin 4 serial data SDA or SPI, serial data input or output, SDI or SDO. Pin 5 ground GND. Pin 6 SPI enable, I2C or SPI mode selection. The sensor used here is common for both humidity and temperature, and the sensor is HTS221. Thus, the humidity and temperature measurements find their significance in air conditioning, heating and ventilation, air humidifiers, refrigerators, wearable devices, smart home automation, industrial automation, respiratory equipment, asset and goods tracking.